In this video, we're going to show you how to fix easy anti-cheat error on Apex Legends. Right, so if your easy anti-cheat is scuffing, one of the easiest way to fix this is to just, check for any updates on your Windows PC and see whether or not there are. So just update that afterwards. Another way you can fix this is to repair the game files of Apex Legends. So do this, you need to have Origin. So step one is to launch the Origin client as an administrator and then navigate to My Game Library and then tap at the left pane. Step two is to right click on Apex Legends and select repair from the context menu, and it's going to repair your game files. Once the repairing process completes, restart your system and launch Apex Legends to see if the anti-cheat error still persists. And so yeah, those are the two easiest ways to do this. Yeah, that's pretty much it this video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next one.